What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela, and today we're going to be talking about if sign language is hard to learn. So I know a lot of people are thinking, it's not that hard. How hard can it be? I already know some signs. They probably know hi or food or water, just simple basic signs in American Sign Language. And how hard is it really to learn? So it is hard. Why? Because American Sign Language, a lot of people don't actually know, is not English. We have a different grammar structure. We have words that are in American Sign Language that are not in English, and vice versa, English words that aren't in American Sign Language. So there is a reason why people have to go to school for years and get certifications. I'm not trying to steer anyone away from learning American Sign Language. It's an amazing language, community, and culture to learn, but it's a lot harder than just making up